What up, y'all? Y'all tuned in to DGTV. Today I'm gonna show y'all how I make my trap shirts from scratch. My man Mike right here is gonna be my assistant for the day. But basically I'm gonna show y'all what I use. I use the Cricut cutter, boom. This little machine thing right here to cut my vinyl. Then the heat press, this thing right here, 325. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna get a camera to him and I'm gonna pretty much show y'all how I do my shirts. So usually what I'll do is I get my vinyl and I'll pretty much press it up with this machine right here. And once it gets done, I can cut it out. And use my little tool, my picker, pick out all the letters. And once I pick them out, I then get my garment, place it right here, pretty much iron it out, iron out the wrinkles. I love this new Cricut machine. It's very light, very efficient. Turns on, turns off. And it's like, you can pretty much set up anywhere. This is actually like on a couch. So, let you know, like, you can pretty much set it up anywhere. You don't have to worry about fire hazards and stuff. But pretty much take the logo, line it up on the t-shirt. You know, kind of just make sure it's straight, so that way once I press it, it'll be sealed. And usually when I do my presses, I do it for 30 seconds, and then I let it breathe for a minute, and then I do a second press just to make sure that the actual logo is sealed. So get your paper, put it on top, take your Cricut machine, press the little Cricut machine button, press down for about 30 seconds. Give it a nice little front. As y'all can see, has the flip-flop colors on it. Just did that. If you want trap hoodies, trap t-shirts, you can go to the website. The descriptions will be in the video below. You know, so just pretty much tuning in, showing y'all how I take my design from a t-shirt, from the idea, use my printer to cut, and then I use this heat press to seal the deal. So right now we're in the studio, so y'all pretty much hear music in the background. Artists walking around, singing out loud, all type of stuff. So, but basically, once it's like that, you'll take it and you'll just peel it right off. And sometimes you have to kind of like go a little slow. I had one of them pull up just a little bit, but there's no problem. All you do is just take the plastic, lay it back down, take your sheet, boom. Just like that. So I'm probably gonna hold it down for about 10 more seconds just so I can seal. But that's pretty much it, the process. Take it off. Trap hoodie. Let it cool off. And there it is. So this is how you can create your own streetwear, street brand, whatever kind of t-shirt brand you got, and pretty much become your own boss. Tune in to DGTV next time.